Opening a custodial account on M1 Finance allows you to manage investments for a minor under your care. Here's how to do it. Sign up or log in. If you don't already have an M1 Finance account, visit the M1 Finance website or app and sign up. If you already have an account, log in. Start a custodial account application. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard and select Open New Account. Choose Custodial Account from the list of account types. Provide minor's information. Enter the minor's details, including their name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide your own information as the custodian, including your name, social security number, and contact details. Complete KYC. Submit any required identification documents for both yourself and the minor to comply with regulatory requirements. Fund the account. Link a bank account to transfer funds into the custodial account. You can choose to make a one-time deposit or set up recurring contributions. Set up investments. Once the account is funded, create an investment pie by selecting stocks, ETFs, or choosing from M1's pre-built pies. Allocate funds as desired. Review and confirm. Double-check all details and confirm the setup. The custodial account will be active once M1 Finance processes your application.